Hey there, fellow builders and laundry loathers. Ever stare into a sink full of delicates, dreading the hand-washing ritual? Yeah, me too. It's like doing dishes but with more soggy socks. But fear not, there's a way to conquer those small laundry loads without sacrificing your precious time. We're gonna build a mini washing machine. Yeah, you heard that right, this isn't some crazy contraption with spinning gears and flashing lights. We're talking simple, effective, and dare I say fun. Get ready to liberate your hands and revolutionize your laundry routine. Before we embark on this epic build, we need the right gear. Think of it like assembling a crack team of cleaning crusaders, each with a vital role to play. Here's your shopping list. A large plastic bucket, our washing chamber of wonders, a plunger, the engine of our cleaning machine, a drill for some strategic ventilation, scissors or a utility knife for a few precise cuts. See? Simple stuff. You might even have most of this lying around already. Now let's get building. Alright builders, let's get down to business. Today we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project. This is where the magic happens. With just a few simple materials you can create something truly useful. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to laundry liberation. No more hand-washing woes. First, grab your bucket and give it a good rinse. Make sure it's spotless. No one wants a side of dirt with their clean clothes. A clean bucket is essential for effective washing. Next, time for some ventilation. This step is crucial for the washing process. Using your drill, carefully create several small holes in the bottom of the bucket. These holes will allow water to flow freely. This lets the water flow and adds to the cleaning action. It's like giving your clothes a mini spa treatment. Now take your plunger and remove the handle. This might feel a bit odd, but trust the process. Don't worry, we're not plunging any toilets today. The plunger head is going to be our agitator. We just need the business end of this bad boy. It's perfect for creating the agitation needed to clean clothes. Finally, fit the plunger head into the bucket, making sure it creates a snug seal. This ensures maximum efficiency. This is our agitator, the heart of our mini washing machine. It's what makes this DIY project so effective. Congratulations! You've just assembled your very own laundry tackling titan. Easy, right? Now, you're ready to tackle laundry day with ease and efficiency. Section 4. Will it wash? The moment of truth. This is where we find out if all our hard work has paid off. Now for the moment of truth, does this thing actually work? We've put in the effort, now let's see the results. Let's put it to the test. First, fill your bucket with water and a bit of detergent. This is the foundation of our cleaning process. First, fill your bucket with water and a bit of detergent. Make sure the water is at a comfortable temperature, not too hot or cold. No need to go overboard, a little goes a long way. Too much detergent can make rinsing difficult. Next, add your dirty clothes. Make sure they are fully submerged in the soapy water. We're talking small loads here, folks. This DIY machine is perfect for a few items at a time. A few socks, a t-shirt, maybe a delicate garment or two. It's ideal for those quick washes when you don't have a full load. Now start plunging. This is where the magic happens. Move the plunger up and down, creating a swirling vortex of cleaning power. The motion helps to agitate the clothes and remove dirt. Do this for a few minutes, letting the machine work its magic. The more you plunge, the cleaner your clothes will get. Time to rinse. This step is crucial to remove all the soap. Remove the soapy water and replace it with clean water. Make sure to get rid of as much soap as possible. Repeat the plunging action to rinse away any lingering detergent. This ensures your clothes are fresh and clean. And there you have it. Clean clothes, ready to be dried. Clean clothes, minimal effort, and a sense of accomplishment that only comes from building something awesome with your own two hands. Enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Section 5, wash or no wash, the final verdict. So, is a DIY mini washing machine a viable alternative to hand washing or even a full-size machine? Let's dive deeper into this. Well, it depends on your needs and expectations. It's definitely a fun and effective way to tackle those small, delicate loads. Perfect for items like socks, underwear, and even baby clothes. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Imagine showing this off at your next gathering. However, let's be real, it's not going to replace your regular washing machine anytime soon. It's more of a complementary tool. But for those times when you need a quick and easy laundry solution, especially when you're in a hurry or traveling, this little contraption might just become your new best friend. It's portable, easy to use, and surprisingly efficient. Give it a try and see for yourself. You might be pleasantly surprised by how much you end up using it.